A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to online classes. Students, this is your maths period. Students, as you know that our chapter number 10, that is temperature, is going on, and today I will explain you clinical thermometer, maximum and minimum thermometer. After that, we will solve question B of exercise 10. Students, take out your maths book and now let's start your maths class. Students, today we will talk about the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is that thermometer which is used by the doctor to measure the fever or the body temperature of the human body. The temperature of the human body is measured with a clinical thermometer. Students, clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. So students, the human body temperature is measured with the help of clinical thermometer. In this thermometer, the Fahrenheit scale is marked. In the clinical thermometer, the Fahrenheit scale is marked. The temperature of a normal healthy person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, or in Celsius we will say 37 degree Celsius. Students, if the temperature of a person is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, or in Celsius we will say 37 degree Celsius, then the person is normal. That means he is not suffering from fever. A person may not be alive if the body temperature falls below 94 degree Fahrenheit or goes up above 108 degree Fahrenheit. Students, if the body temperature of a person falls below 94 degree Fahrenheit, then the person is not in the stage of alive. Means he will not survive. And students, if the body temperature of a person goes up above 108 degree Fahrenheit, then also the person is not alive. Means he is not going to survive. So students, these are the critical situations where the temperature when goes low or high, then the person is not alive. Hence, the marking on a clinical thermometer will be from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Students, in the clinical thermometer, Fahrenheit scale is marked from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So students, this is the range of temperature. Some clinical thermometers are marked in the Celsius scale. The markings will be from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, which is sufficient to measure the temperature of a human body. Students, some clinical thermometers are marked with Celsius scale. So students, in the clinical thermometer, Celsius scale is marked from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, and this range of temperature is sufficient to measure the temperature of a human body. Students, now we will study maximum and minimum thermometer. In the science room of your school, you may find the thermometer which records the maximum and the minimum temperatures reached in the day. Students, there are science room or laboratories inside your school, and there you will find this type of thermometer which is used to measure the maximum and the minimum temperatures of the day. This thermometer will be in the shape of letter U. Students, you can see that this is a thermometer and this thermometer is in the form of U shape. See, this is a U-shaped thermometer. The index in one arm will record the minimum temperature, while the index in the other arm will record the maximum temperature. Students, in U-shaped thermometer, there are two arms. One arm will record the minimum temperature and the other arm will record the maximum temperature. Students, look here. This is the index for maximum temperature and this is the index showing minimum temperature. Students, you can see that this is a U-shaped thermometer because this thermometer is in the form of U-shape and it has two arms. One arm is this and the other arm is this. One arm will record the minimum temperature and the other arm will record the maximum temperature. The thermometer is mounted on a wooden board and hung on the wall. Students, thermometer is kept on a wooden board and then hung on the wall. The observatories for weather report have such thermometers and inform the press, radio and TV for their daily announcements. Students, as you know that this U-shaped thermometer is used to measure the maximum and the minimum temperature of the day. And students, the observatories used this U-shaped thermometer for their weather report and then they will inform the press, radio and TV for their daily announcements. Students, now we will solve question B of exercise 10. Change into Celsius scale. Students, in this question we have to change Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale. Students, when we have to change Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale, we must first subtract 32 and then multiply by 5 by 9. Students, now come to first question. 41 degree Fahrenheit. Students, we have to change 41 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. So, first we will subtract 32 from 41 and then multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 41 minus 32 will give 9. And now we will multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 9 divided by 9 will give 1. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. Now students, 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Second question, 68 degree Fahrenheit. Students, we have to change 68 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. So first we will subtract 32 from 68 and then multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 68 minus 32 will give 36 and then multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 36 is divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36. Now students, 4 into 5 is 20. 20 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Third question, 122 degree Fahrenheit. Students, we have to change 122 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. So first we will subtract 32 from 122 and then multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 122 minus 32 will give 90. And now we will multiply by 5 by 9. Students, 90 is divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 10 ja 90. Now students, 10 into 5 is 50. So students, 50 degree Celsius. This is your answer. Students, note down your homework, 4th and 5th question. This is your homework. This you have to do it on your own.